Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cutie Sweetie Mom's World. In this video we'll know about Nature Adventure Camp, which is situated in Guhantara Road, Bangalore. We have started our journey from Puram at morning 7 o'clock and reached over here around 11 o'clock. We have stayed here over the night for one day and they have charged 2000 per head for tent stay. Now look at the activities that we can enjoy here. This is paintball game, which is payable one. Next we went to zipline activity. For that we have walked around a half kilometer in order to reach over there. Through this area we have to walk, and in the middle we can find pleasant atmosphere along with the lake. And here are some of the glimpses at Lake Viewpoint. And finally we reached over to zipline and we are so excited to go. This is not a payable activity except paintball. Remaining all the activities are for free. Firstly I sent my husband because he knows swimming. Later I went over here because he saves me if anything happens, so that now it's my turn to go. It's very scary. In the mid we have to jump in water and go. Finally it's a great adventure done by me, I think. Later we enjoyed rafting and then rowboating. And the next activity is swimming. Here kids were enjoyed a lot for a long time. Next activity is rain dance. Next we move to lunch. These are the timings of breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. Here the breakfast is very nice. I can give 5 stars for the breakfast, but for lunch and dinner I will give 3 stars. Later we moved on to the mud activities. After that, we took snacks and then played shuttle, cricket, football, caroms, and archery. Now it's time to chill out in fire camp. It is the time to say goodnight. And it is the thrilling experience to stay in tent. Next day morning, we woke up and went for a walk around the lake. This is a foggy experience to stay over here. Now it's time to breakfast, and breakfast is very nice. After that, we have completed the remaining activities. I have done videos on Cubana Resort and Guhantara Resort of Bangalore and nearby places. For that, I have given the links in description box. You can check out there. In the meanwhile, kids are enjoying here. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon to get more notifications of my videos. Aisha. Finally, it's time to check out. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget.